When you got problems around your house and you can't fix them, please don't fear, 'cause you're only one click away from the handy engineer.
Hey folks, we're here today with our fifth wheel again, and our last trip, after that I noticed that one of our straps was not working right. I already took it off. I noticed it had actually sheared off. The way it was mounted to the back, it was just, it really crimped. If you can see that, it really crimped it. Well, on one side was still okay, but the side where the bolt is still in there, it actually sheared off right there. So what I'm hoping to do is put a strap back in there, but maybe put a few washers behind it to start it bending around the tank and not putting such a tight bend in that strap. So I've got a couple new straps. I'm actually going to replace the existing one here as well. Then we'll have a spare, I guess, for just in case. So we'll get that tank out of there. I'll show you kind of the details behind the tank, and then we can get the new straps put in. So here you can kind of see I got the tank out. This is where the the strap gets a little crimped. This side's a little worse than the other side. You can see where the other one was and whatnot. So again, I'm gonna try maybe just put a few washers behind there and pull that out and maybe get that curve going behind there. So we'll get our new strap out here, get this one. I'll probably put this one in first, see how we do, and you know, get that set up properly. And you know, again, we'll probably replace this other one as well. So we'll get going. So what I decided to try was a washer in front and 3 behind. I did drill the original holes out. These are all pre-drilled on this guy to give us a little slop, because it kind of needs to come in a little bit because this has to push back against that back wall. So we're going to give that a whirl and see how we do. Alrighty, here's our result. You see we got some washers in the back there. This pretty much is able to go against there. So this tank compartment is very tight. So anyhow, this doesn't give too much of a great angle coming out of here, but at least it's a little less sharp. You know, you still got to deal with these bolt heads. You don't want them grinding into the tank either. So we'll see how this does. Hopefully it's a little less strenuous on our straps here. So hey, thanks for watching. Hope you found it useful. Be sure to like and subscribe to our channel on YouTube. Visit our website at thehandyengineer.com, where you'll find additional project details, including step-by-step instructions, detailed tool and parts lists, plus you can subscribe to our newsletter for weekly updates. See you next time.
'Cause you're only one click away from